Shalom, shalom, peace, peace. This park right here is the first park I came to during my initial spiritual awakening. So this specific park right here, it is a special place for me. It's a special place that I come to. And there was one time in particular when I was preparing for a 40-day fast. And I wanted to come on a nature walk first. I wanted to come into nature and just prepare my mind, prepare my soul, prepare my spirit before I started my 40-day fast. And on that initial day, the devil attacked. The attacks came. My car got broken into. A couple other things happened. And it was then I knew how vital, how important fasting unto the Most High is. Try to stop you, try to distract you. The enemy would do anything to keep you from growing closer to the Most High. When that happened, I was about to embark on my second 40-day fast. This was during my initial spiritual awakening. I was about to embark on my second 40-day fast. And I decided to come to this park. I get back to my car. My windows bust out. They didn't even take anything. They didn't even take anything. And I had valuable stuff in the vehicle. And they didn't even take anything. Just broke my windows. And that was when I really realized how vital and how important fasting is and getting closer to the Most High. You got to learn to get to yourself. You got to learn how to be comfortable with being alone, with isolating yourself for a period of time. You would never, never, never build a strong relationship with the Most High if you don't know how to get to yourself, if you don't know how to be by yourself for a period of time. Often. Stop asking so many people to pray for you. It sounds good, and they may think they're doing a good deed, a good gesture, but not everybody has the Holy Spirit. Stop asking any and everybody to pray for you. A lot of people do not have a relationship of their own with the Most High. A lot of them are praying on you instead of praying for you. They're praying on you, seeking to destroy you. And you're asking them to pray for you. And they don't even have a relationship with the Most High. Beware of people saying they're praying for you, and they don't even have a relationship with the Most High themselves. They have no fruit to show it. Their lifestyle doesn't show it. What I've learned during my spiritual walk is that praying and fasting has to be a part of your everyday life. It has to be a lifestyle. It can't be, oh, I'm going through something, let me start a fast. Or I'm going through something, let me pray. It has to be consistent. It has to be without ceasing. Just as you brush your teeth when you get up, just as you put your clothes on every day, that's a part of your regular routine. Prayer has to be the same. You have to pray for yourself. You can't rely on other people's prayers. Fasting has to be a part of your lifestyle. Yeshua, Jesus, constantly fasted, constantly isolated himself from others, and sought the Most High for himself. What makes you any different? It has to be a part of who you are. It has to be a part of your nature. Fasting has to be a part of your nature. Praying has to be a part of your nature. Getting to yourself, isolating yourself has to be a part of your nature. Your intuition is everything. Your intuition is the Most High's way of speaking to you. Anytime I ignored my intuition, that gut feeling, something bad happened. Anytime I went against it, anytime I went against my intuition, something unfortunate happened. Anytime I paid attention and listened to my intuition and took heed to my intuition, it worked out for my good every time. Every time. Don't overthink it. You get that gut feeling about something or somebody or a situation, listen to it. Take heed to it. That's the Most High speaking to you. I don't care how random it is, how unexpected it is. Whenever you get that gut feeling, whenever your intuition is trying to tell you something, take heed to it. Here I am, I got in my car just to go run a few errands. And my intuition kicked in and told me, go on a nature walk. It wasn't planned. I didn't plan on coming here. But I listened to my intuition and said, okay. I got on flip-flops and everything. Look. Flip-flops and everything. I wasn't prepared to go in the park. Mud and it rained last night, mud and everything. I wasn't prepared to come to the park in some Nike slides and some socks. Possibly get my feet muddy. It rained last night. This is not nature walk attire. But I listened to my intuition. Because the Most High wanted to get me to himself for a moment. He had a revelation, a word for me. You're not always going to be prepared when the Most High call you for something. When the Most High wants you to himself. Oftentimes it is random. Don't overthink your intuition. Don't overthink your discernment. Don't overthink that gut feeling. Now look at this, right? When I said I only came out the house to run a few errands, my plan wasn't to come to the park, right? I only have some slides on, some socks and some slides on, right? This is not the attire to go on a nature walk, especially when it rained the previous day. But listening to my intuition, I was like, you know what? All right, I'm not even going to go back home and get my sneaks. I'm going to just be obedient. I'm going to just go to the park, right? The Most High will make a path for you, right? You see this muddy water right here? My feet would have been all wet and muddy and gunky and all that. The Most High will make a path for you. The Most High will make a path for you if you're obedient, right? Now, I could have been like, my plan wasn't to go to the park. I don't got my sneaks with me. Maybe I should run back home, but if I run back home, I'm probably going to get comfortable and just stay in there, right? But the Most High will make a way for you, right? The Most High will lead you out of destruction, right? Will lead you, keep you from destruction, right? And make the path clear for you. Will make a path clear for you if you're obedient. I tell you one thing, ain't nothing like getting done your walk, right? Getting able to sit down and catch a nice breeze. Like just let the breeze just hit you, just go through your scalp, go like, oh man, feel good.